Welcome, dear listener, to a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Today we delve into a profound understanding that has the power to transform your life, the realization that your thoughts shape your future. This is a timeless truth, one that resonates deeply within the essence of our being. Every thought we entertain, every belief we hold, carries with it the potential to craft our reality. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring the intricate ways in which our minds mold our destinies. The power of thought. Imagine for a moment that your mind is a fertile garden. Each thought you plant is a seed capable of blossoming into a reality. The thoughts we nurture and the beliefs we hold act as the soil, water, and sunlight, nurturing these seeds into fruition. If we consistently plant seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, our garden will reflect that, blooming with weeds and thorns. However, if we choose to sow seeds of love, positivity, and confidence, our garden will flourish with beauty and abundance. Thoughts are not merely fleeting, insubstantial whispers in the wind, they are powerful creators. When you understand this, you begin to recognize the immense responsibility and opportunity you hold. Your thoughts are the architects of your life, constructing the experiences you encounter and the reality you inhabit. By consciously choosing thoughts that uplift and empower you, you can sculpt a future that is bright and fulfilling. The subconscious mind, the workshop of creation. Our minds are divided into two parts, the conscious and the subconscious. The conscious mind is like the captain of a ship, making decisions and steering the course. The subconscious mind, however, is the vast, powerful engine room executing the commands given by the conscious mind. The conscious mind is the thinker, the decision maker, while the subconscious is the doer, the implementer. What we impress upon the subconscious mind through our conscious thoughts and beliefs becomes our reality. The subconscious mind does not discriminate between what is true and what is imagined, it simply acts upon the instructions it receives. This is why it is crucial to be mindful of the thoughts we entertain and the beliefs we hold. If we constantly tell ourselves that we are not good enough, that success is out of reach, the subconscious mind will accept this as truth and create circumstances to reflect that belief. Conversely, when we affirm our worth, visualize our success, and embrace positive beliefs, the subconscious mind works tirelessly to manifest these truths in our lives. This is not magic, it is the natural law of cause and effect. By understanding this, we can harness the power of our subconscious mind to create the life we desire. Affirmations, the language of the subconscious. One of the most effective ways to shape our future through our thoughts is by using affirmations. Affirmations are positive, present tense statements that we repeat to ourselves to reprogram our subconscious mind. They act as powerful tools to override negative beliefs and instill new, empowering ones. When crafting affirmations, it is essential to use positive language and speak in the present tense. Instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful." This frames the affirmation as a current reality, which the subconscious mind can act upon immediately. Consistency is key. The more you repeat your affirmations, the more deeply they become ingrained in your subconscious mind. Here are a few examples of affirmations to guide you. I am worthy of love and success. I attract abundance and prosperity into my life. I am confident and capable. My thoughts create a positive and fulfilling reality. I am in perfect health physically, mentally, and emotionally. By incorporating affirmations into your daily routine, you can gradually shift your mindset and align your thoughts with the future you wish to create. Visualization, painting your desired future. Visualization is another potent technique to harness the power of your thoughts. It involves creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome, as if it were already achieved. This practice engages your subconscious mind and reinforces your belief in the possibility of your goals. To visualize effectively, find a quiet, comfortable place where you can relax without distractions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Begin to imagine your desired future in as much detail as possible. See yourself living the life you dream of, experiencing the joy, success, and fulfillment that comes with it. Engage all your senses in this process, feel the emotions, hear the sounds, see the sights, and even smell the scents associated with your vision. The more detailed and vivid your visualization, the more powerful its impact on your subconscious mind. Practice this regularly, and over time, you will notice a shift in your reality as your thoughts and beliefs align with your desired future. The law of attraction drawing your desires to you. The law of attraction is a universal principle that states we attract into our lives whatever we focus on. Our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs act as magnets, drawing similar energies and experiences to us. When we understand this, we realize the importance of maintaining a positive, focused mindset. To leverage the law of attraction, it is essential to cultivate a mindset of gratitude and positivity. Focus on what you want to achieve rather than what you want to avoid. By doing so, you send a clear signal to the universe, aligning yourself with the frequency of your desires. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier of positive energy. By regularly acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in your life, you create a positive feedback loop that attracts more abundance. Start a gratitude journal where you write down things you are thankful for each day. This practice shifts your focus from lack to abundance, reinforcing a positive mindset. Releasing negative thought patterns. Just as important as cultivating positive thoughts is the need to release negative thought patterns. These patterns can be deeply ingrained, often stemming from past experiences or conditioning. However, with awareness and effort, they can be transformed. The first step in releasing negative thoughts is to become aware of them. Pay attention to your inner dialogue and notice when negative thoughts arise. Instead of judging or suppressing these thoughts, acknowledge them and understand their origin. Often, negative thoughts are rooted in fear, insecurity, or past traumas. Once you identify the source of these thoughts, challenge them. Ask yourself if they are truly serving you or if they are holding you back. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations and consciously choose to focus on empowering beliefs. Forgiveness is another crucial aspect of releasing negative thought patterns. Holding on to resentment and anger only perpetuates negativity. By forgiving yourself and others, you free yourself from the emotional burdens that hinder your progress. Forgiveness does not mean condoning harmful behavior, it means releasing the emotional hold it has on you. Cultivating a positive inner dialogue. Your inner dialogue, the constant stream of thoughts running through your mind, shapes your self-perception and reality. Cultivating a positive inner dialogue is essential for creating a future that reflects your highest potential. Begin by practicing self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a dear friend. When you make a mistake or face a challenge, instead of criticizing yourself, offer words of encouragement and support. Challenge negative self-talk by questioning its validity. Often our inner critic is based on irrational fears and outdated beliefs. Replace these negative thoughts with positive affirmations and focus on your strengths and accomplishments. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people we interact with and the media we consume significantly impact our thoughts and beliefs. Choose to spend time with individuals who uplift and inspire you. Engage with content that enriches your mind and nurtures your soul. The role of emotions in shaping your future. Emotions are powerful indicators of our thoughts and beliefs. They act as a feedback system, revealing whether we are aligned with our desires or caught in negative patterns. By understanding and managing our emotions, we can further harness the power of our thoughts to shape our future. When you experience positive emotions such as joy, love, and gratitude, it is a sign that your thoughts are aligned with your true desires. These emotions raise your vibrational frequency, attracting more positive experiences into your life. Embrace and amplify these feelings by savoring moments of happiness and expressing gratitude for your blessings. On the other hand, negative emotions like fear, anger, and sadness signal a misalignment with your desires. Instead of suppressing or ignoring these emotions, acknowledge them and explore their root causes. Negative emotions often stem from limiting beliefs or unresolved issues. By addressing and transforming these underlying causes, you can release the negative emotions and realign with your positive intentions. The impact of beliefs on your reality. Beliefs are powerful constructs that shape our perception of reality. They act as filters through which we interpret our experiences and make decisions. Our beliefs can either empower us to achieve greatness or limit our potential. To create a future that reflects your highest aspirations, it is essential to examine and transform limiting beliefs. These beliefs often stem from childhood experiences, societal conditioning, or past traumas. They may manifest as thoughts such as "I am not good enough, success is for others, not for me," or "I am destined to fail." Challenge these limiting beliefs by questioning their validity and replacing them with empowering ones. For instance, if you believe that you are not worthy of success, remind yourself of your achievements and strengths. Affirm that you deserve to succeed and that you have the capability to achieve your goals. Seek out evidence that supports your new, empowering beliefs. Surround yourself with role models and success stories that inspire you. Engage in activities that reinforce your new beliefs, and over time, they will become your new reality. Mindfulness, the art of present moment awareness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment without judgment. It is a powerful tool for aligning your thoughts with your desired future. By cultivating mindfulness, you can become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to consciously choose those that serve your highest good. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine through practices such as meditation, deep breathing, or mindful walking. These practices help quiet the mind, reduce stress, and enhance self-awareness. When practicing mindfulness, pay attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Observe them as if you were an impartial witness. This detachment allows you to identify negative thought patterns and consciously choose to replace them with positive ones. Mindfulness also enhances your ability to stay focused on your goals. By being present in each moment, you can take deliberate actions that align with your intentions rather than being swayed by distractions or negative influences. The power of intention. Intention is the conscious direction of your thoughts and energy towards a desired outcome. It is a powerful force that guides your actions and shapes your future. By setting clear, positive intentions, you can harness the creative power of your thoughts to manifest your desires. When setting intentions, be specific about what you want to achieve. Vague intentions lead to vague results. Clearly define your goals and the steps you need to take to achieve them. Write down your intentions and review them regularly to reinforce your commitment. Visualize your intentions as already achieved and feel the emotions associated with their fulfillment. This practice aligns your subconscious mind with your desires, making it more likely that you will take actions that support your goals. Stay committed to your intentions, even in the face of challenges. Persistence and resilience are key to overcoming obstacles and achieving your dreams. Trust in the process and believe in your ability to create the future you envision. The influence of environment. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your thoughts and consequently your future. Surround yourself with positive influences that support your growth and well-being. Create a physical space that reflects your aspirations and inspires you. Declutter your environment to remove any negative energy or distractions. Fill your space with items that bring you joy and motivation. This could include inspirational quotes, vision boards, or meaningful objects that remind you of your goals. Your social environment is equally important. Choose to spend time with people who uplift and support you. Distance yourself from negative influences that drain your energy or undermine your confidence. Seek out communities and networks that share your values and aspirations. Taking inspired action. While thoughts and beliefs are powerful, they must be coupled with action to create tangible results. Inspired action is the bridge between your thoughts and your reality. It involves taking steps that are aligned with your intentions and fueled by your passion. When taking inspired action, listen to your intuition and inner guidance. Trust that you are being guided towards the right path. Break down your goals into manageable steps and take consistent action towards their achievement. Stay open to opportunities and be willing to step out of your comfort zone. Growth and progress often require us to take risks and embrace uncertainty. By doing so, you expand your potential and open yourself to new possibilities. The role of self-care. Self-care is an essential aspect of maintaining a positive mindset and shaping your future. It involves nurturing your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. When you prioritize self-care, you enhance your ability to think clearly, manage stress, and maintain a positive outlook. Incorporate self-care practices into your daily routine. This could include activities such as exercise, healthy eating, adequate sleep, and relaxation techniques. Take time to engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Self-care also involves setting boundaries and saying no to activities or commitments that drain your energy. Protect your time and energy by prioritizing what truly matters to you. By doing so, you create a balanced and harmonious life that supports your goals and aspirations. Embracing change and uncertainty. Change is an inevitable part of life, and embracing it is essential for personal growth and future success. While change can be challenging, it often brings new opportunities and experiences that shape our future in positive ways. When faced with change, approach it with an open mind and a positive attitude. Trust that everything is unfolding for your highest good, even if it is not immediately apparent. Embrace uncertainty as a natural part of the journey and remain flexible in your approach. Use change as an opportunity to reassess your goals and intentions. Sometimes unexpected changes can lead to new insights and directions that better align with your true desires. Stay adaptable and be willing to adjust your plans as needed. Celebrating progress and success. As you work towards shaping your future, it is important to celebrate your progress and successes along the way. Acknowledging your achievements, no matter how small, reinforces a positive mindset and motivates you to continue moving forward. Take time to reflect on your accomplishments and express gratitude for your progress. Share your successes with supportive friends and family who celebrate your journey. Use these moments of celebration to reinforce your belief in your ability to create the future you desire. Continuous learning and growth. Personal growth is a lifelong journey, and continuous learning is essential for shaping a bright future. Stay curious and open to new knowledge and experiences. Seek out opportunities for self-improvement and expand your skills and understanding. Engage in activities that stimulate your mind and challenge your perspectives. This could include reading books, attending workshops, taking courses, or exploring new hobbies. By continuously learning and growing, you keep your mind active and open to new possibilities. Embrace a growth mindset, which is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and perseverance. This mindset empowers you to overcome challenges and view setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth.